Hey guys, how's it going? So this is definitely a clickbait video, but again, it could also be true that Tesla stock could crash from here. Who really knows at the end of the day what Tesla stock will do? But I think all the easy money on Tesla stock has already been made, and right now it's a gamble of will big money keep pumping Tesla stock to the moon, or will Tesla just trade sideways for the next 5 years until Robotaxi takes off and makes Tesla the next $1 trillion+ company, or $2 trillion company, or whatever the market wants to do, or whatever rich people want to do? Because let's be honest, Tesla stock is not moved by retail investors. It's moved by big money. Big money ultimately determines where Tesla stock goes. If Tesla didn't do a reverse split, Tesla stock would be valued over 3,000 US dollars. When Tesla was below 220, that's when I was the most bullish. But the retail investors, they came out and they said, no, Tesla is going to $50. They're going to $60. Or maybe those were short sellers trying to convince themselves that Tesla was going to go down there. But right now, Tesla is sitting at over $3,000 if you account in the reverse split. They did a split of 5. So if you take $643 times 5, that is over 3,000 US dollars. This is not including the capital raise of $5 billion that Elon Musk did when the stock was at $700. So, theory, the stock should be a way higher than what it is right now, but whatever, it doesn't matter. At the end of the day, I still think that, because look at this, right? If Tesla was, for somebody to buy $1 million of Tesla stock, that is almost $640 million. That's a lot. That's a lot of money. But then Tesla is not traded on 1 million shares. It's traded on 13.4 million. So billions of dollars is being moved back and forth on Tesla every single day. So I mean, ultimately, Tesla is not like, Tesla is moved by what, like, market, the rich people, the institutions, the billionaires, the hedge funds, not by retail investors. As a retail investor, your gamble is, will the hedge funds and the institutions and the federal government pump Tesla stock higher? That's your job as a retail investor. If we look at Tesla's earnings, this is the best quarter ever, with over $1.14 billion of net income. Best quarter ever, as we can see. So this is the history where it's all like negative. Net income was all negative, and then they started pushing for positive. Then they went negative again, and then after that, they just started doing really good net incomes, and now they made $1.14 billion of net income. I'm sure that the net income will increase as time goes by, but Tesla's already valued at $620 billion. And if they were ever valued at $1 trillion or $2 trillion or $10 trillion, like money market maker was saying, the Tesla bulls, it will not be retail investors that determine it. It will not. Just like for Voyager, for example, Voyager is not controlled by retail investors. It's controlled by big money. Big money will trade Voyager with cryptos. If cryptos go up, Voyager will get pumped by rich people. If cryptos go down, Voyager will get dumped by rich people. It's just a game by rich people. They determine where where it is. You know, when Voyager went all the way up to $36, the fundamentals of Voyager is so much more stronger than what it is when it was sitting at $36. So, like I said, fundamentals don't matter. What matters is what rich people are willing to pump. So, we'll see what happens, but you know, when they report the earnings, then their income's gonna be really good. Revenue's already over 100 million. If we looked a year ago, their revenue was sitting at like 3 million. Like not even a year ago, like 6 months ago, their revenue was sitting at 3 million. Now their revenue is sitting at $100 million. Yet their fundamentals are, yet the stock is just selling off. It could go all the way down to $10. It can go all the way down to $5. I don't know at the end of the day what rich people wanted to do, but as investors, your gamble is in the long term. Will rich people pump it to the moon, or will it just stagnate for at $5 forever or something? Who knows? Who knows? But I'm gambling that the business fundamentals will keep growing, keep getting stronger, and eventually rich people will be forced, maybe even the Wall Street bets, pumping GameStop to the moon could pump Voyager to the moon when they get listed on the NASDAQ eventually. Who really knows at the end of the day? This is all. I really believe that the stock market is a game for rich people. They ultimately determine. I feel like GameStop pump or an AMC pump, not by retail investors. They use retail investors as an excuse to pump the stock without consequences. That's my feeling anyways. I don't know. This could be a rambling of an idiot. Who really knows at the end of the day. So we'll see what happens with Tesla. But it could crash, could stagnate around here forever. Who really knows? Don't be a hero and be like, I'm gonna load the boat on Tesla at 644. No, if you really believe in Elon Musk and you really believe in Tesla and you really think that Tesla is worth more than what it is right now, and you think the value of it will be $2 trillion, $3 trillion, $10 trillion in the future, dollar cost average. So at least, if it ever does crash, dollar cost average down. Just saying. Anyways, that's it for my video. Thanks for watching, guys. And I also think that Tesla stock is determined by the overall market. If the overall market is, green and going higher and higher and higher, I think that would probably push Tesla higher and higher and higher too. That's just my opinion. Anyways, that is it for this video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. And have a great day. Bye.